Hello, today we will learn how to make the 4 operations in a calculator in Scratch. Create a new project and delete the sprite. Now we will create a new sprite, but we are not going to draw anything. We are going to name this addition. Now we are going to create a new block and we will add an input which we will call 1. Now we'll add a label and the label will put the plus sign and we'll put another input 2. We'll make this run without screen refresh and okay. Now you have to go through the extensions and get text to speech. Now you should have this. Now put the speak block over here, and in operators you will need a few joins, so you can just get those and join this. Now we are going to make it speak. Input 1 plus input 2 is equal to, and now we are going to get the operation of addition, and we are going to put inputs 1 and 2 into it, and we'll put this in the join block, and now we have addition. We can check this by getting text to speech from my blocks. We'll get this and we will make it do 2 plus 2. Now it should say 2 plus 2 is equal to 4.
2 plus 2 is equal to 4.
There we go, we have addition. Now we will make subtraction. Same way, we'll create a sprite and we'll call it subtraction. Now we will make a block. We'll add an input which we'll call 1. Now we'll add a label which will be the minus sign, and we will add another input which will be 2. We'll run without screen refresh. Now we are going to again put the speak block and get a few joins. Now we will put the input 1 minus input 2 is equal to, and at the end we are going to get the operation of subtraction. Put inputs 1 and 2 in that, and we'll put this in the join block, put it in speak, and now we have subtraction. We can test it by doing 10 minus 5. This should say 10 minus 5 is equal to 5.
10 minus 5 is equal to 5.
There we go, we have subtraction. Now we will do multiplication, so you create the sprite and call it multiplication. So now we'll make the block, we'll put the input which will be 1. Now over here in the input, in the label, you can put the letter X or you can put an asterisk. I'll put an asterisk, and we'll put another input which will be true, run without screen refresh. Now we are going to get the text to speech and put this. Now again we have to get some join blocks. Now we will put 1, and over here you can put multiplied by or times. I'll put multiplied by. Now we'll put input 2, and again over here is equal to, and we are going to get the multiplication operation, and we will put 1 and 2 in that, and we will put it in the join block, and now we should have multiplication. We can test this by getting the block, and we will put 6 times 7. It should say that 6 times 7 is equal to 42.
6 multiplied by 7 is equal to 42.
There we go, we have multiplication. And now the last one, division. So we'll create a sprite, call it division. Now we will again create a block. Over here we'll put 1. We'll put a label. Over here you put a slash, and we'll put another input and call it run without screen refresh. Now put the speak block and we'll get joins. Now we will put input 1 divided by input 2 is equal to, and we will put the we'll get the two inputs and get division, and we will put that in and put it at the end and put this in this peak. Now we should have the last and final operation, division. We will do 70 divided by 7. They should say 70 divided by 7 is equal to 10.
70 divided by 7 is equal to 10.
That's it. This is how you make the 4 operations in a calculator in Scratch. Thanks for watching.